Hi, this is Jennifer Smith here, and in this video today we are going to learn how to create an ID card online without the help of any software or application. Watch this video from start to the end and see how easy it is going to be. And please, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more such exciting videos and tutorials. First of all, open your favorite browser and open the Templates in .NET website. This is an awesome website to create many wonderful printable things online, like ID cards, certificates, letterheads, prescription pads for doctors, calendars, and place card. You can find all of these categories on the main page of this website by scrolling down the page. You can create any of these things online. But now, since we are going to create an ID card, let's open the View All page of this category. On the detail page of ID cards and badges, you can see the list of all the available ID card designs. Templates in .NET is aiming to add many more here in the next few days and weeks. Let's select the medical ID card design to create a doctor's ID card now. You can either download this template in MS Word format, or click the Edit Online button to edit online. On the Edit page, you can see the preview image on the right side. On the left, you can see a short form to fill in your information for this ID card. On the left, you can fill in the hospital name, doctor's name, job position, license number, card issue and expiry dates. You can also edit the titles by clicking the small icon on the right of each title. Click the Upload Photo button to browse your PC or mobile to upload your photo. This photo will be placed on the front side of the card. You can also upload a logo to show on the top of the front page. If you don't have the logo, just leave this option. Fill in the hospital address, email, phone number, and website. All of this information will be used to show on the back side of the card, as well as to create a scannable V-card QR code. Also, type in the terms that apply to the cardholder. If you want to change any of the labels, you can click the small icon on the right side and change it the way you want. For example, if you want to use TNS instead of terms and conditions, you can easily do this here. There is an exciting feature to draw your signatures. You can draw your signature easily by using the mouse on the PC or your finger on the touch screens. The signature will show on the back side of the card along with the name of the person. You can also type in the name of the authorized person who is issuing this card to the cardholder. The label here shows the job title of the person. Once you're done filling in the information, cross-check the information you have put in, and then click the preview and download. On this page, you can preview your actual ID card with all the information you have put in on the previous page. This is a high-quality ID card with text and vector graphics. This makes it very print-friendly. There is a scannable barcode on the front page that is created based on the license number provided on the previous page. On the back side, you can see terms and conditions on top, along with the person's name and signatures. A scannable QR code keeping the person's V-card information in the middle of the page. Let me scan this QR code on my mobile and show you how it works, and the V-card information is scanned through this QR code. The hospital name is shown in the middle as well as the contact info. On the right side of this page, you can see two buttons. One is to download this ID card in PDF format, and the other one is to make any adjustments. Click the Make Adjustments button to go back and change any information you want to adjust. Once you are fully done and satisfied with the information you have added to your ID card, click the Download Your ID Card in PDF button. This will take you to the download page where you can download this ID card in printable PDF format. The download will automatically start in 5 seconds, or otherwise, you can click the download link to download your ID card. If you like this video or think this video is helpful for you in any way, I would love to ask you to please like this video and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, please write them down in the comments section below. Thank you again for watching the video. See you soon in the next video with something new and exciting. Have a good day.